So, how worried were you when you bought this without without looking at an annex,
I wasn't worried
seeing
at all, actually. I'm quite a decisive person anyway, and I just think if I can see all I can see online, and we came up here and measured it so we would know exactly how much room it would be taking up and stuff like that. And what was important for me was that Mum and Dad would have a really nice view, so I wanted it to be this way round.
This is how I visualise a lot of them.
Yeah. So no, honestly, I wasn't worried at all because I checked you guys out. And
so what reassured you?
I think seeing all of your clips on the website,
The videos.
And the shirt.
Sure.
And also I got really good customers. As soon as I phoned you guys, they were very good. They got back to me and they said, and that's really important, that people get back when they say they're going to.
Yeah.
And especially you, Alex, you just seemed like you did this because you care about people more than...
Well, it is.
It's a business for you, but you actually care about people.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
We're both in agreement. I mean, we've got lots of businesses, quite successful, but none of it's about money.
Yeah, and that comes across.
We've got 70 people work for us, and we look after them, and other things, and garden centres and stuff like that.
Yeah,
that we're starting.
And that does really come across in your videos that obviously it's a business and you're going to make money because you're a business, but you actually do it because you care about people, and the fact that you don't need the planning permission is crucial when you have elderly parents.